This isn't gonna...
They're gonna like munch up everything. That's in here. That is sick.
Dude, my casts are a little rough today. I'm splashing. I'm making a giant splash. That's probably why I'm not catching anything. Bottom. It's about to just be sitting at the bottom.
See, now is when I feel like we're gonna, you know.
That does not look healthy at all. Dude, it looks like the back foot got shot or something. Probably like a coyote.
Just like, imagine just like a stand right there.
Dude, that'd be... You could shoot the whole entire field. Like, shoot down the whole field.
Yeah, I know.
Like, with a good, like a heavy... With like, not a heavy, but like a big rifle. Dude, you can really whip that now.
I know. See, we just gotta get on them.
Dude, this looks good though.
Thanks.
It's so clear, bro. That's gonna be perfect. I mean, he's been hanging around here. I mean, I don't really want to steal his spot right now, but like...
If dude's there, he's there for a reason.
For real. Look, that does not look good at all, bro.
What would you like hook? What would you like hook him? Or it's like, come here, let me help you out. Let me help you out.
Just hook his bad leg.
Yeah.
You got duct tape? We'll make him a little cast.
Bro, the carp in here are crazy, bro.
Maybe you'll like foul hook a carp.
On accident. Yeah.
Accident. It slowly drifted over here. Oh, there's bite.
Bro?
Yeah. He's on it. Yeah.
Oh!
Oh, on the GoPro?
On the GoPro?
That was sweet. I was like, this bite.
Calm down.
Dude. I didn't even think he was on because it was like barely felt like a bite. There's the first one.
First one of the day?
Here, you can get on yours so you can get both angles.
Ready? First one of the day?
Freaking tank. Wait, should I feed it to him? Should I feed it to the...
Try.
Oh, I find it feel bad, bro. I should feed it to him.
Yeah.
It's just me reeling it out of water. Is it alive or dead? Dead. So if you let go, it would swim away right now?
Oh, no.
Where'd it go?
It's gone.
Did it actually swim away? Okay, well now there's an injured bass, an injured that, and we have no catfish bait.
Oh, I was trying to clean it off. And I let go of it so that way I could like...
Grab it in a better spot or something? Or no, wipe it.
Yeah, it won't be.
Oh my gosh.
If we had like a net...
I should have brought the gill net.
Bags. Just do it all the way across
Dude,
the pond.
we would have caught like so many bass in that thing.
Dude,
The angle that I want. You can see everything right here, but before... Oh wait, actually... Something has this right now, bro, because it feels like dead weight. Dude, I had a fish out here the whole time, and I was like, why is it losing it? Because look how far right to the right it's going.
Yeah.
Jackson, look.
Oh, another one just jumped on the shore.
Look, watch. Look. He's fighting hard now. No way! No way! I hooked him the best, too. He hit it the hardest, bro. Oh, it died again.
Going all the way from like end to end.
Oh, here, I got another one.
Yeah.
Oh. Stay down. Dude, on the cast. Do you wait, cut him up? Cut bait? I mean, it's not illegal unless you get caught, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah. I think.
Or if you put it on as live bait, that's not illegal. But chuck it to the, yeah, kind of. There's gonna be a bite out of this. Maybe it came alive for a second there.
Go to the left.
He's got a big one. Oh, he's in my rod. Oh, come over to this side. He's in the other line. Step over. Oh, real, keep it tight, keep it tight. Dude, you hooked him good too.
Dude, you see my rod move?
Bro, your rod is just taken out. This is a big fish. Bro, bring up, oh, get him out this line.
Is it a bass? It's fighting like a bass.
That's a 10 pounder. Oh, it's a catfish.
Oh, that's a 10 catfish.
That is a catfish. Here, I got him, I'll grab him.
Oh my God.
Hold on.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Dude.
Bro, that's a 10.
Bro, that's a 10.
Dude, that soaked me when I went to go grab it, bro. I thought that was a bass at first.
Bro, it's doubled up right now.
Oh
my catfish, my catfish.
Bro. Dude, this is fighting big. This is bigger than yours.
No way, bro. No. You don't go anywhere.
Look.
Bro. Don't hit me.
What? Is that your phone right now?
Oh my God.
Good thing we started switching to the bottom, bro.
Ah, thanks.
Dude.
Oh my God. Dude, it's rip and drag. Dude. Oh. Hold on, can you get it up? Can you get it?
Yeah. Let me. Dude, he's wrapped all around it, bro. This could be really bad.
Don't move, catfish.
Jason, this one's bigger.
Oh my God. Can you pull him up? Ah! Stop.
Hold my pole.
Oh, I got you.
I'll grab him.
Grab him. That's it. Oh my God.
Dude, that's a tank.
Dude, doubled up, bruh.
That's a tank. Bro, bring him over here.
Yeah, man.
Here, I got my phone.
Yeah.
This is crazy. There's one, and then we got two.
Bro, dude's trying to bite me, bro.
Is it heavy?
No.
No. Here. Oh, she's coming back. No, I got it. Don't put him in the water. Oh, because we gut hooked him anyway.
We did?
Look, the blood.
Oh, yeah.
Maybe that was her bite.
No.
Jeez.
Back
Back up.
Bruh, ain't no way.
Dude, wait.
We look hella gay right now.
This is the weirdest thing I've ever done in my life. Wait. Shh. Imagine it just starts attacking us. Shoot, I can grab this fish.
Oh, just throw it like right there in front of him. Get it, dumbass.
Come on,
boy.
get it.
Get it, dumbass.
Get it.
Boy. Get it.
It's at your wing. It's literally in your wing.
Back up. No, back up this way.
Okay, come on.
I swear to God, he doesn't eat it.
Eat it, please. We're about to just see him swim off. I mean, it's in the water right now.
I think. Eat
Okay,
it.
come on. He's
Oh, back up,
moving.
back up. Maybe he's intimidated.
Maybe he's protecting the fish from us. Like, that's a perfect one to give to him, though. That's like the...
It's like nice and tiny.